Hello, my name is Chesnie. I am from class 7-2. My absent number is 6 and I would like to present to you on how to make a tiny house. Before I start my presentation, I would like to ask you a question. Would you like to learn how to make a tiny house? To perhaps live in it or maybe even sell it? Well, if you do, please listen to my presentation. The things you need are scissors, glue sticks, ice cream sticks, glue, a ruler, and some acrylic paint. The first step is to use your ruler to make your ice cream sticks the same length and height. After that, glue your ice cream sticks together to make the floor, and then make a second floor and glue both floors together to make the floor longer. The second step is to make the walls. You have to do the same steps as you made the floors. You use your ruler and make the ice cream sticks the same height and length. After that, glue the walls using 2 more ice cream sticks to make the walls. After making the walls, cut a hole onto the wall to make a window, and in the window, add an ice cream stick onto the middle of the window. The fourth step is to attach the walls and windows onto the floor and make the front of the house, which is to repeat the same steps as how you made the walls and the floors, which is to use your ruler to make sure that your ice cream sticks are the same height and length, and glue them together. After that, make a hole for the door and a hole for a window. After that, glue the front of the house onto the floor, and now we make the door. First, we use a leftover ice cream stick that you don't use and glue them together to make a door. After making the door, glue the door to the hole of the door, and now we make the roof. Repeat the steps on how to make the floor, which is to use the ruler to make sure that the length and height of the roof is the same, and then glue the roof to the walls to make the roof attached to the house. Now that your house is done, you can decorate however you want. I will make some fences for the house and glue them to the floor. You can make whatever you want, but don't be too crazy, because it might make your house look a little weird. Now I'm going to use my paint and color the roof. I will only be coloring the roof though, because I already really like the woody texture, but you can paint it however you want. Step 9. You have completely done your house. Now, the final step is to admire your beautiful home. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thank you for listening to my presentation. Enjoy your new house, and please take good care of it. Thank you.